Welcome to Operation Research. These are the most important 10 multiple choice questions related to the basics of Operation Research. Question 1. Operation Research is the application of dash dash methods to arrive at optimum solution to a problem. And the answer is it is an scientific method or scientific approach. It is not an economical approach, neither artistic approach nor a rational approach. In Operation Research, the dash dashes are prepared for situation A. Mathematical models, physical models, iconic model or diagrammatic model, and the correct answer is mathematical model. So we prepare a mathematical model. For example, in LPP, for a given description of problem statement, we convert it into some mathematical equations like objective function and constraint with the help of decision variables. OR techniques help the directing authority in optimum allocation of various limited resources like man and machine, money, material and time, and all of these. Correct answer is D, all of these. So all these are nothing but the resources, and OR helps in allocating these resources for optimization. Operation research approach is multidisciplinary, artificial, intuitive, or limited to some field, and the correct answer is multidisciplinary. So it can be used in various disciplines. Operation research analysts do not predict the future of operation, build models, collect the relevant data, and recommend decision and accept. And the correct answer is predict future operation. So operation research analysts do not do this task, they do all remaining tasks. Which technique is used in finding a solution for optimizing a given object, such as profit maximization or cost reduction under certain constraint? Options are queuing theory, network analysis, linear programming, or sequencing model. And the correct answer is linear programming. In linear programming, we have decision variables, objective function which either maximizes or minimizes the profit or loss, and we have certain constraints or limitations. Operation research is a very powerful tool for operations, for research, decision making, simulation. Correct answer is decision making. Operation research technique which help in minimizing the total waiting and service cost is queuing theory, decision theory, linear programming, or sequencing model. And the correct answer is queuing theory. A model is an essence of reality, an approximation, an idealization, and all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Now consider a map, which is kind of a model which gives you an essence of reality with approximation, or it could be some mathematical model like this LPP which give you a essence of reality. The innovative science of operation research was discovered during Civil War, World War I, World War II, or Industrial Revolution. And the correct answer is World War II. In World War II, operation research was invented for the allocation of resources with minimum cost, that is, it was used for optimizing the allocation of scarce resources. Thank you.